guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. While you're here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. I always respond to my comments, guys, because I will be posting amazing videos in the future, and you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. And if you're an old subscriber here, what's up? Thank you so much for sticking with us. I do appreciate you. Today I'm going to show you how I make my amazing cheesecake. With 4 to 5 ingredients, guys, you will be able to whip up this amazing cheesecake. So if you're a cheesecake lover like myself, or you've been wondering how to incorporate it in your recipes or in your menu, and you've never found the perfect recipe, well, I bring to you Ina's amazing cheesecake recipe. So if you would like to learn, please keep watching.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, and tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make this recipe. It's very easy. What you want to simply do is you want to pour your cream cheese into a clean stainless steel mixer bowl. Okay, make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl, guys, because cream cheese is not cheap. You know what I mean. And then we're going to mix this in the mixer for a few minutes, and then we'll go in with our sugar and yogurt eventually.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, and tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, hands and sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
So guys, I have mixed this to, I think, a point that's perfect. I'm going to go in with the yogurt mixture.
You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay.
So guys, I'm satisfied with how much I have mixed this. So I'm going to whisk this egg lightly and then pour it in.
Death in Tucson, okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, hands and sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole.
My vanilla flavor.
Back in Boulder, we ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
I'll be using this spring foam pans for my cheesecake. Simply line them with parchment paper, and I'm gonna fill each of them with my butter.